A warm welcome to Hack at the Rate of CRR 5 days non-stop virtual hackathon. I consider it a great honor to welcome Dr. T. Venkateswar Rao Garu, IEEE Senior Member, IEEE Sir CRT College of Engineering Student Branch Counselor, Professor and Head of the ECE Department. Dr. R. Satish Garu, IEEE Faculty Coordinator and Associate Professor of ECE Department to this virtual hackathon event. Thank you each and everyone for being here. I request Dr. R. Satish Garu to speak a few words.
Thank you, Lohika. Respected Head of the Department, Dr. T. Venkateswar Garu, Chair IEEE Student Branch Vamsi, and other executive body members, and all the participants, a very good afternoon to you all. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who have been registered for the hack at the rate of CRR. The reason for congratulating is this: many students are taking rest at home, but you have decided to make a difference. That is the reason why I'm congratulating you. During the lockdown, as we all know that we are facing tough situations, we are going through tough time. Even though you have very keen to participate in this event, that's why I would like to tell to my students frequently is this: if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. I repeat once again: if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. I think you all people have determined to learn. You all people have determined to make a difference. I congratulate once again everyone. And few hours back, I contacted our HOD sir and I spoke a few things regarding this event. And HOD sir said that he will attach all the counselors, respective counselors to you, and the counselors will also guide you regarding this, right? And that is a good promise given by our HOD. And in addition to that, HOD sir is also given permission to use whatever the resources we have in the department, right? So in R&D section, we have Raspberry Pi kits and Arduino kits and whatever the sensors we have, right? And Vamsi will give you the list of devices and components and kits, whatever are there available. You can use those, right? And you can develop whatever the idea you have, right? So creativity is very important these days. That's because as you all well aware that the campus placements are getting reduced day by day due to the pandemic situation. So whenever you have a creative thinking, then you can start your own entrepreneurship. You can start your own startup, so that you can start your own company, and you can also provide employment to many, right? So every one of you must think in these lines. So creativity does not wait for the perfect moment. You please remember this: creativity does not wait for that perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. After lockdown or after pandemic, I will do my I will implement my creativity. Not like that. Even though it is pandemic, or even though it is a difficult situation, you have to implement your creative idea. That's it. So few days back, not more than 1 week, few days back, when I was watching news, I really surprised to see a news. The officers are visiting COVID hospitals, COVID wards, and the officers, when they went to a ward, they got surprised. They got surprised to see a young person was preparing for CA exam on the bed. A young person was preparing for CA exam on the bed without carrying COVID. He was preparing for CA on the bed. That type of enthusiasm every one of you should have. I really surprised to see that. So that much of zeal you should have. So creativity does not wait for that perfect moment. It passions its own perfect moments out of ordinary ones. It passions its own perfect moments out of ordinary ones. Even though it is a difficult situation, creativity should, whatever the creative thoughts you have, whatever the creative ideas you have to implement it. Then only you can make a difference among the entire community, right? So once again, I congratulate all the registered students, and I thank Vamsi once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Over to Lohika.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. T. Venkateswar Rao Garu to speak a few words.
Thank you, Lohika. Good afternoon, everybody. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Yes. Once again, good afternoon, one and all. And as Dr. Satish said, yes, the time will not stop. Even after the pandemic situation, we won the situation, the wave one, Corona wave one, the last year. Many innovative ideas came, and some of the ideas were coming to reality, and some of the humans, that is some countries and some other nations who have determination, have implemented their thoughts effectively. Just now, yesterday, we came to know that regarding oxygen plants and all, the Kerala government measures, and they almost won the situation in the second wave itself. So similarly, the usage of 3D printing, some PPE kits, and also some of the companies who held responsible for the innovative ideas like Google and 3M, Ford, GE, all are multinational companies. And also, in the pharmaceuticals, our Bharat Biotech or Serum. So these people also fought back for this COVID. So in this particular point of issue, as Satish said, so no one stop you. Similarly, no one put a bar at you while you are realize your ideas. So that similarly, there is no right time to do the good things. So at whatever the idea you have, so you can implement it. So in this, I will give some of the examples. The Google using this deep mind, so to help and to fight the COVID-19. So it given some of the platforms to avoid some misinformations, and also it aims to predict the some of the program he supports to predict the protein structures. So that is some COVID research. Similarly, in China, already they implemented, I came to know that they are implemented this drones with contactless thermal cameras to check quarantine temperature. So the thermal cameras means some aerial thermography imaging. They use the technique. So thermography means the in the electromagnetic spectrum, the temperature can be taken out from the radiation, and this radiation image can find out the odd temperatures among the mob. So, like this aerial thermography, similarly, artificial intelligence to track the people movement within the city by using facial recognition systems. In that, you have the signal processing and the image processing, digital signal processing. So many ideas you may arrive from these particular concepts. And also, AI uses an event-based surveillance system. So suppose somewhere some events are going on, sudden events. Some of the people those who are not listen to the rules, listen to the government rules, so they may arrange some other events. So at that time, you can have some surveillance system, event-based surveillance system, and similarly, you have the mobile apps. So you know the Argya Setu is already there, but still it needs some modifications. Similarly, not only this, so after come out of this second wave, maybe how to normalize our lives to a ordinary is to the previous to the pandemic. So how to normalize our lifestyles. So for that also you can concentrate, and also academics, children education, elder health. So particularly in this pandemic, so if any children under some illness, so any pregnant ladies, any deliveries happened at that time, so you think about various problems which you can observe in the your particular society around you, or in your family and around your village. So like that, so try to find some solution for it. Therefore, definitely it will help the society. So like that, you can face a challenge. So now from our college and from our department, from particularly from IEEE, now you can go for a challenge. So with this, the winner from this group or panel of some group of winners can go for the IEEE Vizag Base section, and also from there definitely you may get some funding. So those identified ideas so can be funded here also from the departments and from the management. And also you can have you may have your own satisfaction. You do something to the mankind at this pandemic. So that is very very important. సో అంటే ఎన్ని అవకాశాలు ఉన్నా సరే మనం కూడా వాటిల్లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుట్ అనే ఫీలింగ్ దట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. సో పర్టికులర్లీ ఐ కంగ్రాచులేట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ every faculty, our Dr. Satish and Vamsi, the team. So the participants. So please listen to your mind and concentrate and try to do the best what you can do. And also Dr. Satish already requested me, so definitely you can use the resources. Yes, the resources with the DAC lab, I think, but Vamsi, faculty Vamsi is sick, I think. So, however, I will find a way to implement. First of all, not to get a complete result. So you can go with your idea. So implementation we can do afterwards. if it requires, yes, we can do it. Okay, we will arrange every resource for you. And thank you once again. And thank you, Vamsi, and your team to give me this opportunity. Thank you. Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for your helpful comments. I would like to call A. Vamsi Krishna, Chairperson of IEEE Student Branch, to give the Hackathon Part 1 schedule.
First of all, good morning to everyone. And I want to thank our HOD sir and Satish sir for giving us the opportunity to arrange this event. And friends, we have divided this hackathon into two parts. And the part one will take 1 day, and the part two will take up to 4 days. And the part one schedule will be revealed now, and the part two schedule will be revealed tomorrow. Just give me a minute. Basically, in part one, we have to give you a problem statement and where do you find the problem statement and the motivation behind the problem statement. Based upon these three questions, please create a presentation, in either a PowerPoint presentation or a paper presentation based upon your requirements. And the minimum slides is 6 and the maximum is your choice. And you can use your PowerPoint presentation in your laptop or phone, or you can also present to the paper. You can scan the papers through phone and you can send the PDF to us. And the time duration is from now onwards and till tomorrow at 3 p.m. The hackathon will carry on for the part 1. And the submission will start from 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Yeah, and guys, one thing I want to say, the problem statement can be matched with your friends or other teams, but the solution should be unique. So this hackathon will also carry to the next level as the selected projects, the best projects will be given to Vizag-based section for applying the R10 2021 special call for proposals related to COVID-19. As after the whole completion, after the submission and the judging panel is completed, a total of 10 projects will be selected overall the Asia and Pacific regions. Those 10 teams, each team will get a funding of 4,000. That means nearly 30,000 Indian rupee will be funded to your project. And actually, we organize this hackathon till 10. The best projects will be make the process for the submission of R10 region special call for proposals related to COVID-19, and they should be submitted before 15th May. And the main criteria is maybe the problem statement matches with your teammates, don't worry, but come up with a unique solution. And just we want theoretical proofs that your solution will be implemented and it is a unique way. No need to implement any type of prototype in these 5 days. After this completion of the event and the completion of the pandemic situation, we will definitely provide the hardware components which are available in the R&D department. So don't worry about the hardware prototype. Just show us the theoretical proof that your solution will be implemented at any way. Thank you once again, HOD sir and Satish sir, for giving this opportunity. Over to Moika.
Let us conclude the session with national anthem. All of you please stand up at your places.
मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद।
Thank you once again, sir. And the event, the hackathon will be started from here, the first level, and will be ended at tomorrow at 3 p.m. Satish sir, we are closing this session, sir.